Now, family, friends and relatives gathered at the Holy Family Basilica in Nairobi to attend the Requiem Mass for the late former KTN News journalist Rita Tinina on Monday. The burial of Tinina, who died from acute pneumonia, is scheduled for Wednesday, the 27th of March. Our reporter, Vera Moral, with the details.
Although in somber mood, veteran journalist Rita Tinina had united both family and friends to bid her farewell in Kenya's capital, Nairobi. Rita Tinina, last born in the family of 7, mother to Mia Malaika, has departed from the family, leaving an irreplaceable gap. But the family says she will be remembered forever for many things.
She was a symphony of love and grace, a narrative of courage and resilience. To the rest of the family, may you find comfort in knowing that RT made something broken look beautiful.
My dearest Mia, your mother loved you more than anything else in this world. You were her best friend, her confidant in many respects, and every single thing she did was centered around you and your future. Know this: you are loved so much, and there is nothing we would not do for you.
In 1999, Rita began her journalism career. She had worked at the Standard Media Group, but at the time of her death, she was at the Nation Media Group. Across all the media houses she has worked, they commended Rita for her exemplary work.
Today we gather to honor the memory of a remarkable soul, a gentle giant whose impact resonates far beyond the confines of our hearts. Rita Tinina, a name etched in our collective consciousness, leaves behind a legacy that defies mere words.
It is her strength of character and clarity of purpose that made every other story about Rita possible.
Beyond her professional achievements, Rita's warmth, kindness, and unwavering integrity left an enduring legacy that will continue to illuminate our paths long after her earthly journey has ended.
On 27th of March, 7 a.m., her body will leave Omarsh Funeral Home in Nakuru County. And by 10 a.m., the burial ceremony will begin at her home, Olokirikirai, Narok County. 46-year-old Rita Tinina was found dead at her house on 17th of March, leaving the media industry and the country at large filling the gap of a gentle giant that impacted the society using her unique journalistic skills.
As family and friends, we will miss Rita, as will her colleagues and all those whose lives she touched in various ways. We are comforted that we shall see her again in eternity. Rest in peace, Rita.
Vera Moral, KTN News.
Coming up, the new Chief Registrar of the